Welcome back, soldiers, to another Ponke update. Today is March 17th. It is 3:51 a.m. Is March 17th St. Patrick's Day? I don't know. It is March 17th, 3:51 a.m. on the West Coast. This is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor, so please do not make investments based on what I say in these videos, all right? You got Ponke trading at 0.0878 USD. That's a market cap of $43.8 million. This is the 4-hour chart. So let's dive into the candles. Right here, kind of midterm, mid-range, whatever. Not so local, but obviously not all the way zoomed out. There's not really a clear pattern going on here. If it would have went like this, then it would have been a head and shoulders with a neckline like that. But it didn't do that. So it had this first higher high. That's a H and a H. And then the next higher high up there. This is the higher low. And then it failed to make another higher high. So that means the uptrend became invalidated. And so currently it's in a downtrend, all right? Now, if you look at different time frames, your higher highs and higher lows are going to be in different locations. So for example, this is the 4-hour, but if we break it down to the 1-hour, cool. So if we break it down to the 1-hour, you got this lower low right here. Kind of a lower high right here with that wick, but not really. And then the lower low right here. If you look at it on the 4-hour, it just looks like it went straight to a lower low right here. So it depends on what time frame you're looking at. I like to look at the 4-hour and the daily, unless I'm doing an entry or an exit. And that's for like a lot of tickers or even stocks. That's the way I used to do it as well. But I want to show you what's going on because there is good news. All right. So this is like something I see a lot on Solana meme coins. And it's a pretty good way of seeing which levels. Why do I have 9 cents? No, I'm going to take that off. It's 8 and 10 cents is the range, by the way. So that's green for bullish. That's red for bearish. All right, so that's the zone, 8 to 10 cents. I don't know how long it's going to last, but there's not going to be a substantial move until there's a breakout, either up above 10 cents, and it's got to be the daily closing above that, or the daily closing below 8. All right, it can't be like a wick above. That doesn't count. So I forgot what I was talking about earlier, but oh yeah. So you see these. Let me pull up the 15-minute because this has been how I've been calling local bottoms, and I called the local bottom on my Twitter earlier. It's around this like 9 cent mark. So all right, see, it's in a downtrend, and it's doing this lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, and then every once in a while it'll do like a double bottom type thing, like right here, came up, right here, came to the same level, right? And then just continues down. Now, what I like to see is more of, like, the way you'll know that it's a local bottom, it's more rounded, all right? And this is not the most perfect example, I'm well aware of that, but check this out. All right, so that's different than this, how it's more jagged, right? That's just a stair step down. But when it becomes rounded, that's when the market is going whoa, we actually want to buy here, that is our demand zone. That is where we are going to accumulate when you see it start to round. All right. Now, don't jump the gun. Don't look at it on like the 5 or like the 1 minute. When you're looking for these types of like local bottoms or reversals, you want to look at least the 15-minute, if not 1 hour. And once you see that rounded, it might, keyword might, is that nothing is a guarantee. Not in life, not in trading, not in anything. But when you see that rounded bottom, typically it's been a good sign of, all right, this is where price is going to accumulate, if not just reverse right away. But so Ponke's at like a $43.9 million market cap. I'd call it like a mid cap. I don't know how they classify it, but to me, it's like a mid cap meme coin. And because it's kind of a higher, $43 million market cap, that's not 100,000, that's 40 million, right? So because of that, I think the reversal is not going to be V-shaped. I don't think it's just going to go straight back up to 15-cent all-time high. I think it's going to play around in this 8 to 10 cent range for a bit. How long is a bit? I have no idea. But I think whales are going to accumulate here, big money, and then head back up. That's just how I see things. So check this out. This is from Ponke's official Twitter. Ponke is proud to support the Solana Foundation. Memes secure the network. So go to this link and upvote Ponke to show all of Solana that we are Ponke. I am Ponke. You are Ponke. I love you all. Honestly, I hope you guys make life-changing money. I've been covering Ponke for 2 or 3 months now. I can't really remember. But I've had conviction since day one. I bought on day one, and I'm confident it's going to a $1 billion market cap. I can't say that for a lot of meme coins or any crypto, to be honest. I think they're doing everything the right way, and it's just been a blast to be able to document it. And so hopefully you guys are having fun, but I really want you guys to make life-changing gains, okay? So whether or not you're taking a win, whether or not you're taking a loss, just learn and stick with it, and you will be successful in the long run. It might not happen in a span of weeks or months or a year or two, but it will happen. If you stick with it, you will be successful. I love you guys so much. See you for the next update. Peace.